Welcome back to the news show. I want to show you the Skycam once again. A lot of times you could just get a good idea what's going on by looking at Skycam. We have it pointing kind of west out of Grand Rapids. And you can see the Ford Freeway right in through here. Still some blue skies here and there, partly cloudy conditions, but right here the clouds get real opaque into the west-northwest, and that's because of some showers and thunderstorms developing over central Lake Michigan. Really, most of the state dry right now. It's just this cluster just west of Muskegon, the Spring Lake and Grand Haven area, and there's some pretty good lightning with it. It's moving to the northeast, basically east-northeast. So if you're in the Muskegon State Park on the beach, or let's say the Whitehall Montague area, Duck Lake State Park, you can probably hear the thunder. And if you can hear the thunder, you need to take cover. Go in your car or find some kind of shelter right now, because this is putting down a lot of lightning in a short amount of time. It's, again, moving to the east-northeast. Already in Muskegon, the Lakewood Club area, if you're heading north on US 31, hit the Dalton area, Lakewood Club. Some pretty good rain at the present time. But again, that main thunderstorm that's right through here, you can see the movement, basically east-northeast, tracking that into the Muskegon County area. We're looking at arrival time. The Laketon area, about 12:35 to 12:40. Montague, about 12:42. The Holton area at 1 o'clock. In Bridgeton, in Newaygo County, about 10 after 1 o'clock time frame. So far, no severe weather out there, but just like yesterday, there could be some isolated reports of some wind damage here and there, and that's the primary threat for us today. I think the better chance of severe weather is going to be off to our west, but nonetheless, it does clip southwest lower Michigan, basically up to right around the Manistee area, Lansing, right down to just east of I-69 around the Jackson area. So yeah, we're in the zone for it, so keep an eye on it. Nonetheless, this is going to be the last of the real warm days. 83 degrees in Grand Rapids, 80 in Kalamazoo, 70s along the lakeshore. Let me qualify that, at least for this week. I think the big heat's going to return again later next week. Dew point temperature 73 in Grand Rapids. That may be a touch on the high side. Ione at 65, 71 in Kalamazoo, but nonetheless, you factor the two together, and it feels like it's close to 90 degrees in Grand Rapids. Other areas, it feels like it's in the mid to possibly upper 80s. So another warm one out there. Wind speed generally out of the south once again. That's why we're in the warm and humid conditions, but it's also boosting those Lake Michigan surface temperatures quite a bit. And I'll get to that forecast in just a moment. Here's the futurecast. It'll begin around 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's not really latching on to the convection to our north right now, but there's a chance of showers and thunderstorms just about any time during the afternoon, and especially from Grand Rapids southward once that main batch gets out of the way. So keep an eye on it for you. Into the evening hours, what we'll have to watch is a cold front right in through here. I think this is going to be just out ahead of the cold front, the 2 a.m. time frame. So we'll have a chance of a shower or thunderstorm anytime during the overnight period. Then that will sweep out very early tomorrow morning southeast to Grand Rapids. We'll have a chance of a few lingering showers, then partly cloudy skies, and gradually less humid air will arrive during the afternoon. Now, some spotty showers this forecast model is picking up. I suppose that is a possibility, but I'd put about a 20% chance of that happening. You can see still some waves showing up, breaking along the lakeshore. The live view of Grand Haven, you can see how it's so dark off to the north. Here's the latest on the water temperatures out there, the beach conditions. Waves today about 1 to 3 feet, and a moderate risk of rip current from about Muskegon northward. I think the anomaly is Muskegon at 55 degrees. Everybody else is essentially warmer at the same as yesterday. Here's the latest on the 8-day forecast. We get rid of the heat and humidity later tomorrow, and that's going to hold rain through the weekend. I wish I could say dry weather would hold all the way through the weekend, but the models are pretty consistent, giving us at least a chance of some showers and thunderstorms later on Sunday, and the possibility on Monday as well. Then later next week, it looks like possibly maybe the hottest temperatures of the summer to date.
Really, it's been
Keep
pretty
an eye
hot.
on that. Yeah.
Okay. And humid too, so far at least. Matt, thank you.